Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F102A. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you do have Firestone destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. The seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a Pendoliner bed liner in here, keeping the bed nice and safe. And then the hard cap on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.